Let's open the SimplyForm app in your Shopify admin. From the left menu, click Form Builder. In the top right corner, click Create a blank form. A pop-up appears, type in warranty claim, then click Create Form. Now we've got a brand new blank form. Under the form selection box, click Design to open the canvas. On the right side, you'll see the toolbox. Drag and drop elements from here to build your form. And if your form is long, you can pin the toolbox so it stays in view while you scroll. You can drag and drop elements from here directly onto your form. To customize an element, click the edit icon. A properties window will pop up, where you can set a label for that element. Be sure each input element has a unique label. You can also mark elements as required, so customers must complete them before submitting the form. For option-based elements, like drop-downs, checkboxes, or multiple-choice fields, you can use an API call to automatically load the options. For example, you might pull in a list of your store products through an API, and then fine-tune the options manually if needed. You can also provide your own API by entering the full URL. And if you need access to additional APIs, just reach out to us, we'll be happy to help. You can preview your form at any time while designing. Just click the Preview and Publish button under the form selection box. Here, you can style the label for a specific element. Or, if you prefer, you can set the font size and color for all labels later in the theme editor, when you add the form to a page template. SimplyForm supports a wide variety of elements for your forms, including text, number, email, phone number, drop-downs, checkboxes, multiple choice, date, date time, multi-line text, star rating, range, and more. It also supports large file or photo uploads. Depending on your plan, the maximum upload size can be up to 100 megabytes. You can also add an image to your form, such as a banner, to make it more visually appealing and intuitive for your customers. You can adjust its size so it fits perfectly within your form. Once you're done designing, you can preview your form before publishing it. A form can be in either updated or published status. You can save your changes as often as you like without publishing them, and your customers won't see anything new until you actually publish the form. Once your form is published, you can copy the form ID. You'll need this later when adding the form to a page template. Now, let's move to your online store theme. In the theme editor, open the page template list, and click Create Template. Create a new page template named Warranty Claim, using the default page as the base. Since we won't be using the page content in this template, go ahead and make it invisible. Then, update the page title appropriately. Next, let's add the form. Click Add Section, and from the Apps list, select SimplyForm. In the Properties panel, paste the form ID you copied earlier, your form will appear right away. If you'd like to center the form within the section, click on its parent section and choose the Center Alignment option. You can also adjust the page title alignment to match. If there's too much space between the title and the form, you can adjust it by changing the top padding of the form. By default, the padding is set to auto. Switch it to fixed, then use the slider to set the padding to the spacing you prefer. In addition to form padding, you can also customize the margins, font size, font color, button label and color, element padding, line height, and more. You can even adjust the button alignment to place it exactly where you want. Once you're happy with the page template, click Save to apply all your changes. If the Save button is grayed out, that means your changes have already been saved. Now you can create a new page using the template you just built, and add it to the Sample Forms submenu in your main menu. Finally, let's review the warranty claim page on your storefront. Open your site, hover over the Sample Forms menu, and you'll see a list of all sample forms. Click Warranty Claim, and your new form is now ready for customers to use. To view form submissions, you'll first need to add a data link to the Apps menu. Once that's done, you can click the link to see a list of all submissions for the form. Now, let's switch to your storefront and submit a warranty claim. Fill in the required fields, and don't forget to upload a receipt. After submitting successfully, go back to your Shopify admin. Refresh the view, and you'll see the latest warranty claim submission right away. You can open the claim to review the details, download the receipt for verification, and update the status to approved. Every submission and status change is automatically logged in the timeline. Back in the list view, you can filter and search through submissions. You can also customize the view by editing the columns and sort by certain columns to fit your needs.